Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we got three more letters with their exit point, with their makhraj. We got ba here with one dot, meem, and wow. All of them are pronounced by using our both lips, right? We are using our both lips while saying ba, meem, and wow. But here is a little difference. When we say ba, so we use the wet part of our both lips. Ba, like this. Repeat after me. Ba, ba, ba. We are using our both lips, but we are using the wet part, right? And meme got the point, the makhraj, and which is dry parts of our both lips. Meme, like this. Meme, meme, meme. We are using dry parts of our both lips. And this is wow. And we pronounce wow by rounding the lips. Wow, wow, like this, by rounding. So all of them got exit point, which is our both lips. But ba is pronounced by using wet parts of our both lips, and meme by using dry parts, and wow by rounding the lips. I hope you got this. Jazakumullahu khairan.